Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. My name is Cahya Rayhan. Welcome to my presentation of English project, and I will presenting about understanding the digital core, hardware, and software. Our discussion today will be simplify the two essential pillars. The computer system two essential pillars is the hardware and software. A computer system is a complete combination of components that works together to process the data. Every functional system consists of two inseparable parts, hardware and software. The hardware is the body for the software, and the software is the main brain to move the hardware, to play the hardware. The hardware can be played, can be worked, can be moved without the software, and the software too can be played, can be worked, can be running without the hardware. And there are inseparable part of computer system. Let's get started with hardware. Hardware, the physical foundation, the physical, tangible component of a computer that you can touch by physics. That means you can touch the hardware by your own body. The function of a hardware is to provide the machine that execute instruction and process the data. And here is all example of hardware. This is a CPU. CPU is a hardware. That means you can touch the CPU by your own body. The CPU is the central processing unit. This is RAM, random access memory. Random access memory is the hardware body. The I/O device, that means input or output device, this is a part of a hardware. Next, we have a software. Software, the set of instruction. A set of data or digital instruction that tells the hardware how to operate. Software is intangible. That means you can touch it physically. You can touch this software by your own body. You can. This is a lot of example of software. Like Windows. Windows is the main part of the software. They can they can manage computer hardware and resource. This is operating system, and this is a web browser. This is a part of a software that they can perform specific user like a web browser or anything browser you can have by your computer. Next, the most critical piece of system software is the operating system, or you can call them mediator, the most vital system software that manages all hardware and resource. The function of operating system is they act as a bridge between the user or application and the physical hardware. This is the operating system. This is software, and this is the hardware, or this is user application, and this is a physical hardware. Uh, the operating system can connect like a bridge between the user or application and the physical hardware. They act like a bridge to connect the two of this is the physical and the user application. To conclude about the hardware and software, we got the conclusion the symbiotic relationship. Hardware is useless without software to give it instruction. Software cannot run without the underlying hardware to execute its commands. This is example of hardware and software. The input, processing, output, storage, and communication is a part of the hardware, and the system, programming, development, utility, multimedia is a part of software. The system can't be hardware. The programming can be in at hardware. The development can be in at hardware. Utility can be in at hardware. The multimedia can be in at hardware. They just can in software part. And this input processing, output storage, communication can be only be a part of a hardware too. This is an example too from software and hardware. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.